Okay, that slat wall is also removed. Everything is down there so far. I don't exactly know where I'm putting these yet. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to take these with me. I don't want to keep them in storage because they're just going to get dirty and scratched. I think I'm going to take these with me, but I haven't confirmed yet. I need to obviously double check. I'm just going to stay there for now. Hopefully the car will still fit even though those are there. Yeah, cleaned up a bit, put some stuff away into the corners, and yeah, as of right now, yeah, the right side wall is pretty much done. Those will actually just come off. They're just on with screws, so just a quick lift off for when I need to. Probably do that probably the last day. I think the next big thing I gotta tackle is the lights. Lights have to come off, but not only that, I still gotta find space for all that. Yeah, I don't exactly know how I'm gonna put all that stuff. My player gear, actually my player gear, my forward or defense gear is already in here. So that's already put away, packed away for Sunday. I'm not playing goalie this weekend. I don't think I'm playing goalie this weekend. I don't think I'm doing a double. So I don't know exactly where to put all this stuff. And especially like after we move, I don't know where all that stuff is gonna go. So I gotta figure out everything. Yeah, all this stuff probably has to go in the shed or storage. Ooh, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, that's for another time anyways. But yeah, not a lot left to do. However, all that stuff still needs to be moved, but I'm glad I was able to get that side completed for the most part today. And then we can move on to that side afterwards. Man, it's looking bare on this side, looking super bare. And yeah, the R60 is there. But yeah, I haven't been on a ride for a couple days, but I definitely need to get out this week for sure because I'm jonesing obviously just go out and ride instead of being in the car all the time. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. More updates coming up soon. Into the next one.